This is a Tektronix TDS 540B 4-channel digitizing oscilloscope with instant view acquisition. This is the technical reference book that covers the digitizing oscilloscope's performance verification, specifications, and operations. And this is the CD disc that is used for the calibration purposes. This particular unit was very little used and was recently, and I mean recently as of September 7th, 2012, calibrated and brought up to absolute perfect specs by DBF Labs in Concord, New Hampshire. This is a picture of the face. And in just a moment I'll get a picture of the back of it. These are the pictures of the brand new probes made by Tektronix. Both of them are essentially unused. One is completely unused, the other one was used in the calibration on September 7th. And this is a picture of the back of the oscilloscope. It's in extremely clean condition. And for now we're going to do the self power on test. Alright, this is the power on self test. I'll go in the back and turn it on. Let it boot up. As you can see, it's all lights are lit. There she comes on. I don't know whether this camera has the resolution to read the writing on here, but if not, I'll read it. It says Tektronix TDS 540B digitizing oscilloscope, copyright 1991-96, power on, self check passed, push clear menu to proceed. And that's the end of the video.